Welcome back everybody to my channel. It's me. Let's get right into the news. The stock market was looking like it was going to have a great day, but then some unexpected news came out, and now traders are getting nervous. The Dow Jones is down 46 points, or 0.16%. We were down more than 200 earlier. The S&P 500 is basically flat. It's only down 1 point. The index is still near an all-time high, and the Nasdaq is up 0.42%. We got some big moves from Nvidia and Microsoft. Those two stocks alone make up about 2/3 of the Nasdaq's gain today. So those two companies are doing really well. But let's get to the economic news, because that might be the reason why we're seeing such big swings in the market today. Number 5, we got to talk about the Fed, because investors are waiting on what the central bank will do next. Now, there is no scheduled rate hike in September. That wouldn't happen until December. But Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve could hint at a rate hike in December during their meeting this week. Remember, communication is key when it comes to the Federal Reserve. If they even say the word rate hike or quantitative tightening, the stock market could fall, because that means there's a good chance these things are actually going to happen. Also, just to let you know, this Wednesday, August, Jerome Powell is going to be speaking at a conference in Atlanta. And just like every time he speaks, everybody in the financial world is going to be listening. So this week is important for the Fed. This week is important for the stock market. You better buckle up, friend, because anything can happen. And speaking of the economy, let's get to our number 6 story. Oil is rising, which is not good for the economy. And oil is a key component of inflation. So we got crude oil rising to $97 a barrel. We also have Brent crude rising to $102 a barrel. And we also have gasoline futures rising to levels above $3. Now, oil prices have been climbing since mid-July on hopes that major producers, led by Saudi Arabia, will keep supply cuts in place to prop up the price of oil. So because of OPEC Plus and other countries around the world cutting supply, that's helping the price of oil go up. Well, today we found out that China is buying more oil. They're importing record amounts of crude, and that has many traders concerned that oil prices might go even higher, which means inflation might not be going away as fast as we would want. And because of that, any hopes of a rate cut from the Fed soon are probably going to be dashed. And lastly, when oil goes up, energy stocks go up. So this is good news for energy traders. The SPDR S&P Oil and Gas Exploration and Production ETF is up 1.32% today. All right, let's get to the crypto news. There are some big stories happening over the weekend, and today is no exception. Let's get to it. Number 7, Bitcoin is struggling to stay above 1200. The largest cryptocurrency by market cap is trading at about $112,989. Bitcoin did have a huge rally last week, and now it looks like it needs a break. It could be consolidating so that it can build up enough momentum to continue going higher. Or this could be the start of a correction. Only time will tell. No. 8. Ethereum is also consolidating today. It's trading at 47.32. But interest is building for the highly anticipated Shanghai upgrade. Now, this would allow ETH holders to use their tokens more easily, and because of that, ETH is being supported and held up above 4,700. Number 9, Binance adds another altcoin. The exchange continues to expand its offerings, and this could be good news for crypto traders. Now, the world's largest crypto exchange by volume listed the Internet Computer (IC) token today. The listing sent IC soaring as much as 40%. Now, the price has given up some of those gains, but it's still up about 13% in the last 24 hours. The exchange also said it would support the token swap for its users. So that's probably why the price of IC jumped so much. Now, this is good news for traders who want to buy IC easily without having to go through a decentralized exchange. It's just another step forward for the cryptocurrency industry. Now, number 10, Asian regulators are reportedly scrutinizing exchanges in their country Now, this should be a warning to exchanges everywhere because recently Coinbase went through a hard time with regulators in the US, and this could be a sign that other exchanges are going to face some challenges. Regulators in Hong Kong have started asking questions of staff at crypto exchanges operating in the city. Now, sources familiar with the matter said that the probe focuses on whether exchanges have adequate systems in place to prevent market abuse and money laundering. So just know that this is going on. So to recap, the stock market is mixed. Tech is leading the Nasdaq higher, and Binance continues to show that it's a leader in the space. What are your thoughts? Do you think the stock market is going to have a big breakout this week, or maybe a big pullback? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Profit Path, where we bring you the most important stories of the day in less than 5 minutes. Be sure to check out our free Discord community. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.